shell pile we've been at all day. I like that one.
Take it. It's yours.
Thank you, honey. Anyway, we're leaving the shell pile now. Going back to the room, eat a snack. Try not to eat too big of a lunch because we're going to a really nice restaurant that I know I'm going to order way too much food. You know what? We have plenty of room in the bucket now, honey. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. And we didn't get as many shells this time as... Ooh la la! Ooh la la! You funny, honey. Ooh la la! Look at that orange. I'm not making fun of you.
You are making fun of me.
I might be making fun of you a little bit. I don't mean to be making fun of you. It was funny how you said it.
I probably could have ordered that tonight on Amazon and got it today.
You probably could have. If you want to be the keeper of the light tonight, I have no problem with you being the keeper of the light.
I don't really want to be the keeper of the light. I just want to have something to complain about.
That's true. You need that.
I do.
That's essential.
Complain about.
Yeah, now that you made money today, it's like crap. What are you going to complain about now? Oh. How about the fact that we're... You what? Well, that's awesome. Is that a sand dollar? I can't reach. I think it's just...
Well, I guess you're not going to get it.
I can't reach it. I can't reach it.
Get it, T-Rex.
It's just... Oh, look, here's scallops. These are live scallops. Robert reached it. I cannot believe your arms are longer than mine.
You called me T-Rex arms the other day.
I thought he had the T-Rex arms. It's me. Little arms. Ooh, there's an urchin over there. I'm just gonna... Ooh, I'm sinking. I'm sinking. I'm just showing them. I'm not keeping him in there. What's oh my God. I'm punching you in the face. Punching you in the face. Look at this urchin collecting seashells on the shore. Look at that. We're not keeping him. He's still alive. Don't keep alive. Don't keep alive. Technically, urchins, they're not really shells, right? They're sea creatures. Look at him. Let me turn you back the right way. I'm trying to take a picture, but then my hands are wet, so I'm not for sure if it's actually working. So,
This house right here.
yes, $7 million house right there.
Most people are like 7. 4 to 7.
Okay, so where is the best
Very
place
affordable.
to shell on Sanibel? Just look at house prices across from the $7 million houses. That's the part of the beach that you want to shell on. I don't know what mile marker this is. This is past beach access number 6. We're still on Sanibel. Technically, we're almost to Captiva. Do you see that right there? Like, that's Captiva, where the white sticks out the farthest. So technically, I guess we could have walked down there if we wanted, but it's still like another 2 miles, which would have taken us another hour. And I gotta eat. I gotta eat something light. Because tonight I'm having tuna and scallops. If I didn't have lunch, I'm ordering 2 dishes, Robert. I am. I'm ordering the tuna appetizer and the scallop. It is. I'm spending all the money you made today. Very pretty scallops. So many pretty scallops. More tide. I actually found a bunch in the tide pool, so I was very happy. Oh, look at this. It's empty. Oh, and I drop it.
And then you drop it. That's a nice shawl.
That is a nice shawl. This was completely covered with water last night. someone's butt. Don't look at her butt. Nobody wants to look at her butt, Robert. Don't look at it. I don't think we were in. Wasn't it like France where they can wear like clothing optional on beaches? It's not like that in the US, so I don't know why I keep seeing all these butt cheeks. Oh my, how the world changes. No, just like a little, like, I don't know. Did you say honey bunny? Not a stick bug. I'm looking in this tide pool because you know I love tide pools. Yes, they have clams here. I haven't seen any like together, but yes. Nice one. Look at that. Yay. What is that? Is that a scallop? Oh, that's a, oh yeah, that's still alive. That's, no, that isn't. That's a clam. That's a clam shell. Are we near that hotel you wanted to look at?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
These look all like private ownership. Right? Blue Dolphin Cottages. Oop, there's a sailboat out there. Blue Dolphin Cottages.
We're getting close.
Alright.
Or closer.
Closer. Don't be jealous, mister. I love our house. Oh, you see that bird? Fishing. A bird was fishing. Fishing, fishing. That's a pretty. It's broken, but it's pretty. That's a pretty pink one.